Derivation of the laws of indices, part 3, and this has to do with what the third law of what indices, which states that a raised power what m enclose the bracket raised power n is equals to what a raised power what m times n, which is what mn. This is called the third law of indices. Our responsibility is to see to the derivation of what it arithmetically or from the professional what angle. So in this case, we say a raised power what m enclose the bracket raised power n is as good as what a raised power m times a raised power m times a raised power n times and so on times what we have what n number of what factors or places, n number of what factors or what places. But we know that a raised power what m is equals to what a times a times a times and so on times what m number of factors, m number of places or factors, n number of what places or what factors. Take note of that. Now bringing this into this particular what expression, we now have a raised power m enclose the bracket raised power n is now equals to, in the place of what a raised power m, we're going to have this. So we have what something of this what nature, a times what a times what a times and so on times m number of what factors, a number of what factors, right, times, are you there, a times a times a and so on times what m number of factors, n number of what factors or places times what a times what a times and so on times m number of what factors, are you there, into bracket times, are you there, and so on times what the n number of what factors, which is the exponent of what a raised power what n. So exponent of what a raised power m. So we have times what n number of what factors. Furthermore, we have a raised power what m enclose the bracket raised by n becomes what now. Now we take one of these, which is what a times what a times what a times and so on times what m into bracket times what n number of what factors, number of what factors, number of what factors or what places. So finally we have a raised by what m enclose the bracket raised by n becomes what now, taking one of what the a's, which is a raised by what the m times n number of factors, which is what m times what n, which is as good as what a raised by what m what n. This conforms with what the third law of what indices. Consequently, indeed, a raised by what m enclose the bracket raised by n is as good as a raised by m times what n. This is the third law of indices. I mean the derivation of the third law of indices. We shall be looking at what the derivation of what the fourth what law of what indices in what part what 4. Do not hesitate to like, share, and of course comment. Watch out for the part 4 derivation of the fourth law of what indices. Love you.